guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how I did this whole look. It is like a mini get ready with me. If you know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. I'm gonna move on to my moisturizing part. My skin is really dry because I've been using some tretinoins for my skin and it is a lot drier than how usually it used to be. So I'm gonna use this Bobbi Brown hydrating water fresh cream. This is very lightweight and gel like for oily skin. It looks something like this. And I'm gonna take a tad bit, spread it all over my face. So my moisturizing part is done. I'm gonna apply a little bit of sunscreen. I've been using this Biore sunscreen. As you see, it's already over. I use this Laneige primer. This is a glow serum primer. This is a very raved product, but I thought I did not like it at first because I didn't know how to use it. I take 2 pumps and then it's a gel-like consistency. I apply it on my skin. For my foundation today, I'm gonna mix up these two because this one's a little bit long wearing and this one's a glowy product. So since it's a daytime, like I'm getting ready to pick my daughter from school, I don't wanna wear highlighter because it's gonna look really very aggravated, like it's gonna accentuate my pores. So I'm gonna mix up these two together and it's gonna make my skin look like it's glowing from within. So I'm gonna take 1 pump, and also this Nars, it's in the shade Caracas. Yes, it's a bit half a shade darker and this one's a half a shade lighter, so when I mix them they become really perfect for my skin tone. I'm gonna use my sponge. I'm not doing any color correcting today because I don't have time for it. I'm gonna skip color correcting and I'm gonna go for a very neutral, very natural looking skin. Caudalie's beauty elixir. It's a beautiful face mist, but only thing I didn't like was it smelled like balm, like the eucalyptus balm. But other than that, it works really great. It makes my skin look like skin. This is my favorite trick I found out because it worked really nice, and also it kept my makeup really long lasting. Caudalie is available on Nykaa and Myntra, I guess. So yeah, my skin already looks really glowy and dewy, and you see it doesn't even look like I've applied anything on my skin at all because of that glow. So now comes the powdering part. I'm gonna use my MAC mineralize skin finish in the shade dark. This is a very light powder, but I am gonna use my sponge from Inglot. Any sponge would do. Okay, I'm gonna press the powder into my skin. So I'm gonna use this Tilbury airbrush flawless powder in the shade tan. Not sure if you can see through properly. Like, I'm gonna apply it only on the under eye area. This is a beautiful blurring powder. Can you see? It just blurs my skin like as if I've applied a primer underneath. I'm gonna go over my mouth a little. Do you see my under eyes? Like, do you see my under eye? Like, it is super blurred and super nice. Can you see that? Whereas you see, I had applied powder here earlier, but then this one is completely matte. So only under the eye I prefer this powder. So now my face is all powdered. I'm gonna apply a little bit of blush here. I'm gonna use my favorite MAC burnt pepper blush. Once more, I'm spritzing this with my Caudalie. I really love this thing, and because it has changed how my makeup looks in person. Yeah, on lazy days I go on with my brow tints. They're the easiest thing I can ever do. Like, I don't have the patience to do my eyebrows today. Okay, looks really nice. I'm gonna go with the K Beauty's kohl pencil, and I'm gonna draw a little bit on the upper lids. I don't want this to look very dressy, but I don't want to look really unproportional, so I'm gonna go over with this one and smudge it like a smudged look. Okay, so I'm gonna curl my lashes a little now. Mascara, I'm gonna use this Benefit Roller Lash mascara. This is my favorite, maybe first favorite. Yeah, the Benefit Better Than Sex mascara, but this one just is perfect for me. It gives me that lift, and I like the bristles of this one. Since it's daytime and it's really hot here in Chennai, I don't want to wear mascara underneath because it's gonna make me feel uncomfortable. So I'm gonna go over with the lashes on top, some extra coating. It looks all put together. I'm not liking how this lipstick looks, so I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna try something very neutral. I'm gonna try this MAC topped with brandy. It's a long wearing lipstick, but it is gonna give me that subtle look. I do not like. I thought the Diva would be a deeper color on me, but now it shows like it's pink, which I didn't like. And yeah, this is gonna look really nice. And also leave a comment in the comment section if you all want to see a tutorial on how I did my hair. Hope you'll enjoy this video. Meet you in another one. Bye guys. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel if you like these kind of videos.